Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to troubleshoot and replace the 73225 control head. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. Parts you will need: 73225 control head. Attention! If the jets, light, or temp buttons quit working on the control panel bezel, you need to first test the control head to see if the problem is with the control head. To test the control head, follow these steps. Step 1. Remove the light lens from the bezel with a flathead screwdriver. Step 2. Loosen the two Phillips head screws behind the light lens. Step 3. Remove the control panel bezel. Step 4. Remove the back cover, unplug the light, and loosen the 4 silver screws. Step 5. Remove the control head from the bezel. Step 6. Press the tabs on the control head to see if the functions work. If the tabs on the control head do not function when pressed, it means you have a bad control head. Step 7. If the tabs work, you have a good control head. The problem may be that the mounting screws on the back of the control head are not tight enough, or the problem may be with the plastic washers on the control head mounting screws. Sometimes the plastic washers create too much space in between the tabs on the control head and the buttons on the bezel. Step 8. If the tabs on the control head are working, remount the control head to the bezel without the plastic washers. Get the silver mounting screws snug, but do not over-tighten them. If the tabs on the control head are not working, you need to replace the control head. Follow these steps. Step 9. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 10. Remove the equipment door and control box lid. Step 11. Unplug the control head ribbon cable from the port on the motherboard. Step 12. Remove the control panel bezel. Step 13. Remove the back cover, unplug the light, and loosen the 4 silver screws. Step 14. Remove the control head from the bezel. Throw the plastic washers in the trash. They are not needed. Step 15. Install the new control head onto the bezel without the plastic washers. Get the silver mounting screws snug, but do not over-tighten them. Step 16. Install the bezel and control head into the spa. Step 17. Plug in the control head ribbon cable with the red stripe facing up. Step 18. Connect power to the spa. Step 19. Test all the functions of the new control head. Good job! You are now the hero. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.